Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlock jobs on the Indeed Flex. First, open the Indeed Flex app and complete your profile. This is very important because your profile is what employers will see. Add your basic information such as your name, contact details, and location. Then upload a clear and professional photo. Make sure your face is visible and the image looks neat. After that, add your work history. Include your past roles, skills, and any experience that matches the type of jobs you want. The more complete your profile is, the better your chances. Next, you will need to complete a verification interview. This is usually a short process. It may be a recorded AI interview or a live video call with a recruiter. During this step, you will be asked simple questions about your experience and availability. Speak clearly and be honest with your answers. After the interview, you must complete a right-to-work check. The app will ask you to upload documents like your passport or birth certificate. Finally, you will go through onboarding and assessments. Depending on the type of job you want, such as warehouse or hospitality, you may need to complete short training modules or skill tests. Once you pass these, that job category will be unlocked for you. Thanks for watching.